Hello guys, holy moly, lockdown happened na guys, so we are here for a picnic. My friend Monkey, my two monkey friends, my father-in-law and brother-in-law. Hello cooker man,
Oh, hello.
how are you?
I'm good. I'm fine.
Good ka master na you?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just trying right now.
What cooking man?
This is a chicken, and firstly, the make it first boil, and we'll take and dry.
Okay.
Only this much. So I can't explain anymore. But now the first time you trying.
Okay,
Yeah.
good man. The smell is good, man. The lockdown happened, na. So all the Pataben people are coming here and eating food, na. Eating what is this? Jackal meat.
Yeah, Jackalman.
Jackal meat, na. Oh, camel meat. Okay. Elephant meat. Where is elephant meat? Oh, this one is elephant meat. Okay. Yeah, very nice, man. And you look happened, na. So beautiful place, na. Karbi Anglong is very beautiful. Yeah, man. You people can come and enjoy your virginity here. No, all people come and enjoy here. All young men and boy. Okay, only boy come here, huh? No girl happen, huh? Very nice. Nice, cool, man. Oh, this is camel
So
meat, na?
amazing, huh?
Yeah, camel meat, na?
Yeah.
This is so amazing, man. Yummy. I can smell the scent of camel meat. Very nice. This one is utensil is very nice, na? Oh man, cool, man. All people clothes are lying here and there.